Alright then. Alright. Hey kitchen gangers and welcome to Moya Moy's kitchen where cooking is love made edible. In our kitchen today we have Kiddie chef Latora. Now Latora, tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is Latora Kali. I am 8 years old and I attend Bel-Air Preparatory School. My hobbies are I love to dance, sing and swim.
Nice. Now guess what guys? Latora has something very nice and exciting for us to prepare today. Now Latora, what will you be preparing?
Popsicles, fruity popsicles.
Nice. Now let's get into the goodness. Now before we do that, Latora is going to tell us about the ingredients that she'll be using today. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now Latora, tell me about the ingredients that you'll be using today.
Mango puree, pineapple puree, syrup, Sprite, blueberries, mixed fruit, strawberries, coconut milk powder, and G sugar.
Awesome! So Latora, what are the tools that you'll be using?
A measuring cup,
A
blender, a popsicle maker, and spoons.
It's fun to wash your hands, and I know you understand. So we wash, clean, scrub.
So Latora, what's the first thing that you're going to do today?
We are going to be making strawberry and mango popsicles. First ingredient we're going to be needing is a spoon of strawberries. Now, we need some syrup, but our strawberries are a little sour, so if your strawberries are sweet, you don't have to add any syrup. Let us puree for 5 seconds. Now let's add our ingredients to the popsicle maker. First, we're going to be adding our strawberry mixture. Now let's add our mango puree to our popsicle maker with our strawberry and mango. Now, if you have a little spill like me, you can just go ahead and clean it up. Your popsicle will still look awesome like you. Let's now add our popsicle stick to our popsicle. Now for our mixed fruit popsicle. First, we're going to be adding our Sprite. If you don't want to mess, you can pour it sideways. Now let's add our fruits. First, we're gonna add tiny bits of it. Now, let's make our pineapple blueberry popsicle. First, we'll need the blueberry. Whoever is wondering if we did blend this off camera, yes, you're correct. Now, let's add our pineapple.
Now we're down to our final popsicle. Now, what popsicle will you be preparing, Latora?
The pina colada popsicle.
All right,
Pina colada, pina colada.
Now, people, we're first going to prepare our coconut milk mixture. Now, Latora, what's the first thing that you're going to do?
We're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder, and we're going to be placing it in a small measuring cup.
Nice. 1, 2. There we go. And what next?
Now we're going to be adding our sugar for taste.
Nice. Just a little bit. All right.
There we go.
Now what is going to happen next?
Now Auntie's going to help me pour the hot water into the measuring cup.
All right. Now let's stir. Let's stir. Stir, 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 stir. There you have it.
So now we're supposed to be ending with a coconut milk powder mixture with sugar.
Nice.
Now let's pour our coconut milk.
There we go. And now for our
Pineapple Puree.
There you have it, guys, our fruity popsicle. Now what are we going to do with these, Latora?
We're going to be putting them in the freezer.
Yes.
There we have it, guys. Yum, yum, yum. The names of these popsicles are Pina Colada, Pineapple Purée and Blueberry, Mixed Fruit, Mango and Strawberry.
There you have it, guys, our Kiddie Chef Latoria. Now this tastes good. Now guys, we want to say thank you to our Kiddie Chef Latoria for coming in. Now Latoria, what are your final words?
Remember, use the fruits that you have at home, stay home and have fun.
And don't forget to
like,
like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.